Hi children, today you are going to learn 8th class 9th chapter, that is areas of plane figures. Area of plane figures. In that exercise number 9.1. In this 9.1 overall we have 8 questions. So let us solve this 8 out of 8 questions by using formulas of plane figures. Area of plane figures. Already we have completed the formulas, complete formulas about this chapter. So there will be 3 more formulas we have to learn. I will give you after this bit. The 3 more formulas also you need to be right along with that 14 formulas. That 14 plus today I will give you 3 more formulas. It becomes 17 formulas you need to be remember. Okay. Then here we go through the bit number 1, that is 9.1. First bit, divide in the given shape of instructed. They have instructed here something. We have to divide this given figures as is instructed here. So the first figure we have to divide into 3 rectangles. How can we divide into 3 rectangles? See, when you join like this, 2 horizontal lines. Now we can divide this into 3 rectangles. Draw with the pencil this one. Now this is also into 3 rectangles. Into 3 rectangles. Simple. These 2 you join. It will become a 3 rectangles. Or else you can go for a line like this. It will be also 1, 2, 3 rectangles. However you can join, no problem. Then it will be into 2 trapeziums. If you need a 2 trapezium, definitely we have to draw one horizontal line. Then there will be a 2 trapezium, here one and the bottom one. And here 2 triangles and 1 rectangle. 2 triangles are required. See, here one triangle is formed and here also one triangle formed. The middle one will be a rectangle it is. Okay. The shape is look like a square but it's a rectangle and not might be drawn properly. So this we have to divide into 3 triangles. Simple. How can we draw into 3 triangles? You choose any one vertex. I will choose this vertex. You can go with this one or any vertex. It is a pentagon. No? So draw here one. To the opposite vertices you draw the lines. Simple. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles are completed. So this is the first bit. As instructed, we have divided the given shapes. Okay. Then as I said to you, I give you 3 more formulas. Let me go for the 3 more formulas now. These 3 formulas you have to include with the remaining formulas. Already 14 formulas are completed now. This is formula number 15, that is area of circle formula we know. Area of a semicircle. Semicircle. Area semicircle formula, that is area circle formula pi r square. Area circle formula pi r square. Area of a complete circle formula pi r square, but area semicircle formula is pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. Then 16th one, area of quarter circle. Area of quarter circle is here pi r square by 4. Here semicircle in the sense this is the area of semicircle. This is the semicircle. Area of quarter circle in the sense, see, it is a semicircle. In this semicircle if you take it a half, it will be known as a quarter circle. Area of a quarter circle. This is a quarter circle. Then now we go for area of triangle formula 1 by 2 into base into height. No? Then area of equilateral triangle formula. Area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle formula root 3 by 4 into side square. Root 3 by 4 into side square. Let us take one equilateral triangle. Suppose here each side suppose a 14 centimeter. Each side of this triangle suppose a 14 centimeter of this ABC triangle. Let us, it is an equilateral triangle. No? How can we find the area of this equilateral triangle? This is the formula now. Root 3 by 4 into side square. Side square in the sense here 14 centimeter whole square. Now root 3 by 4 into here 14 centimeters into 14 centimeters. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 2 1s are 2 7s are 7 into 7 49 into root 3, that is 49 root 3 centimeter square. If the side of the equator triangle is 14 centimeter, then the area of this equator triangle by using formula root 3 by 4 into side square, then we get 49 root 3 centimeter square or square centimeter. These three formulas also you need to be remember. These are the three formulas also we are going to be used in this chapter. So all this will be 17 formulas for this chapter. Now we go for second bit of this exercise. Let us continue. Now find the area enclosed by each of the following figures. Find the area enclosed by each of the following figures. Here already some figures are given. Let me draw the first one. Let me draw the first one here. They have given one square. Then it is a square. Now let us find out. Here side is ABC. ABC is a triangle here. As a given name, ABC is a triangle. And ACDE is a square. The square all angles will be equal to 90 degrees as we know. Yes. Then what we need to do it here, a side with a 4 centimeter. Then all this will be having same 4 centimeters all. 4 centimeters only. Then what will be the total height of this triangle? The height from here to the bottom, the total height here, that will be a 6 centimeter. The total height from the bottom of the figure to top of the figure, that is 6 centimeter. Now let us find out the area of this figure. Area figure ABCDE. Area of ABCDE is equal to, if you need complete area, what we need? See, area of, we don't know this complete figure formula, no? Let us divide into the knowing shapes. We know the area of square formula, we know the area of triangle formula. Let us find out that. Area of square plus here area of triangle. Area of triangle. So area of square formula, side into side plus area of triangle formula 1 by 2 into base into height. The side into side 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter plus 1 by 2 into, here comes the problem. Now what is the base and what is the height of the triangle? The base is 4 centimeter. What will be the height of this triangle? The height of the triangle is C. The height of the triangle. Already till here it is a 4 centimeter. The remaining will be, here the height equal to 6 centimeter minus this 4 centimeter. That equal to 2 centimeter. The height will be a 2 centimeter. See, till here already it is a 4 centimeter. Then the remaining height will be equal to height of the triangle, that is 2 centimeter. So the base is 4 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So what will be left here? 4 into 4, that is 16 centimeter square plus here 4 centimeter. 2 get cancelled. Now what is left? Only a 4 centimeter into centimeter square. 16 centimeter square plus 4 centimeter square, that is 20 centimeter square. Therefore here the area of ABCDE is equal to 20 centimeter square. So I hope you have gone through this clear. Now let us go for the second one. See the second figure, that it will be like, okay, let me draw this second diagram. Yes. Now let us go for these children. So what knowing figures we can form here? Okay, what are the knowing figures we can form here that we will know it? First, we will divide into the knowing figures. How to divide into the knowing figures? Just now we have done. Just now we have done in the previous questions. Okay, it is not coming very fair. How much times I need to try for this? Okay, let's just adjust children. Okay, here it is. Let us see, it is a 18 centimeter, 18 centimeter and 18 centimeter. It is a 18 centimeter and this is also 18 centimeter and this also will be 18 centimeters. 18 centimeters. Okay. Yes. Then here when you join here, this will be also will be equal to 18 centimeters only because it makes a square. It makes a square here. If it is a square comes like this, no? Let me go for that then. The figure I can draw now. The figure I can draw like this. Yes. Now yes. Okay, go for that. It is a 18, 18, 18 and this will be from here to here, the height will be 8 centimeter and here it is a 7 centimeter. Then we have to give a names like a C, D, E, F, A, B, yes. It is a B, it is C, D, E, F. Now let us find out what the figures you can observe here. One is a square, the other one is a trapezium. Let us find out the area of A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. In this, we can find out first area of A, B, C, D. Area of square. Area square A, B, C, D plus area of trapezium C, D, E, F. Area of trapezium C, D, E, F. Now as we know the formula of area square, that is side into side plus area of trapezium. Here area of trapezium formula 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. So here 1 by 2 to h value is what? This is the height of the trapezium. H equal to what? That is 8 centimeter. Now this is will be a and the 7 centimeter will be like a b. Sum of parallel sides. Let us apply here. The side is 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter into 18 centimeter plus 1 by 2 into height is 8 centimeter into a plus b, that is 18 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. 18 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, that is equal to 18 into 18. Okay, 18 into 18, 324. So 18 is 180. Okay, then and 144. Yes, 324 plus here 2 ones are 2 fours are. So we get 4 into again here only 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 4 into 18 plus 7, that is 4 centimeter into 18 plus 7 is 25 centimeters. So we know here 324 centimeter square. 324 centimeter square plus 4 into 25, that is 100 centimeter square. That is 424 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of ABCDEF is equal to 424 centimeter square. So please copy this clearly. Now we go for the next one. Now this is the third question in the second bit. Now already have drawn here. Let us see that how can we find out by the knowing figures. We don't know the formula of this now. Let us find out area of this ABCDEF. AB CD, EF. We cannot find out this completely. So let us divide like this. Area of, we will divide, once if you draw like this, you will get a two knowing figures. It is a rectangle and it is a trapezium. We got a area of rectangle plus area of trapezium will be area equal to this complete figure. So area of a rectangle, that is ABCD plus area of trapezium, here AD or not DEFA. Finish. Now these two areas we need to find out. Area of rectangle formula L into B plus area of trapezium formula, as we know, that is 1 by 2 into trapezium H into A plus B. So first of all, let us know what is length of this rectangle and breadth of this rectangle. So this is the length and it is the breadth. This is the length, no? Already it is given the opposite sides are equal. So it is also a 20 centimeter. It is 20 centimeter on this. So opposite sides will be equal, no? So this is a 20 centimeter is the length. L equal to 20 centimeter and breadth is given 15 centimeter. If it is 15 centimeter, here also it is a 15 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal. Then this will be A and this is equal to B. The height between this, the height of the trapezium, height completely this till here it is 28 centimeter. Till completely this total is 28 centimeter. But till here it is 20. The remaining 8 centimeter. The remaining 8 centimeter is the height between these two parallel sides. So we have H value, A value, B value of trapezium, we have L value and B value of a rectangle. Let us substitute in this. So L value is what? Here 20 centimeter into B value is 15 centimeter plus 1 by 2 into H height is 8 centimeter into it is A plus B. A is a 15 centimeter and B is 6 centimeter. 15 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. Let us simplify here now. That is equal to here 20 into 15, that is 300 centimeter into centimeter square plus here 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 centimeter into 15 plus 6, that is 21 centimeter, that is here 300 centimeter square plus 4 into 21, that is 84 centimeter square. Therefore that is 384 centimeter square. Therefore area of ABCDEF figure is equal to 384 centimeter square. The given figures are unknown figures where we cannot find out, we cannot know the formulas of those figures. So we have divided into the knowing figures where we know the formulas of those figures, and we have used those formulas and the values of the particular figure, and we got the answers like this. So this is what our second bit, and we have some more questions now. We go for the question number 3. We go for the question number 3 now. Now the question number 3 is calculate the area of quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral formula is what? Area of quadrilateral formula is the 1 by 2 into d into h1 and plus h2. 1 by 2 into d into h1 plus h2. That is the formula. Now here calculate the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So here is said the third one solution directly. I will draw one quadrilateral, any quadrilateral like this. So here now quadrilateral draw child. So draw the diagonal. Okay, let us, this is a ABCD is a quadrilateral. Yes, ABCD is a quadrilateral as is given. The length of its diagonal AC equal to 10 centimeter. Here AC equal to 10 centimeter I have given. Okay, let us go for that. And the length of perpendiculars from B and D. The length of perpendiculars from D and B. The perpendicular lines B and D. From the B and D, from the remaining two. So it will be a H1 and it will be a H2, height 1 and H2. Okay, that is 5 centimeter and 6 centimeters. 5 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Okay, now you got AC, D value we got it. Let me write only, we require the D equal to 10 centimeter, H1 equal to 5 centimeter, H2 equal to 6 centimeter. Let us find out the area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, formula is 1 by 2 into D into H1 plus H2. It is height 1 and height 2. Here 1 by 2 into D. The D value is 10 centimeter into H1 plus H2. 5 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. 5 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. See, 2 ones are 2 5s are get answer here. 5 centimeter into 5 plus 6, that is 11 centimeter. Now here 5 into 11, that is 55 centimeter into centimeter square. Therefore, area of quadrilateral equal to 55 centimeter square. So please copy this now. Now we go for this fourth question and let us see this is the fourth question diagram. In the diagram, adjacent figure, the frame has outer dimensions. The outer dimensions, outer length and breadth like so. Outer dimensions are 28 centimeters into 24 centimeters, and the inner dimensions is 20 centimeters and into 16 centimeters. So this frame in the shape of a rectangle where length and breadth of the outer dimensions are 28 into 6, 24, and the inner dimensions are the length into breadth like 20 centimeter into 16 centimeter. Then find the area of shaded part from the frame. We have to find out the area of shaded region. Here we have to find out area of shaded region. So how can we find out the area of shaded region here? Area of shaded region here, we can get it here, the area of shaded part or not area of shaded part. This part, area of shaded part in the shape of how it is look like when you see it is like a trapezium, yes or no? It is look like a trapezium. So let us find out area of shaded part is nothing but area of trapezium. The formula area of trapezium is 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. So what is A value? Simple. This is a value now. These are the two parallel sides. No, here these two are parallel sides. Where A equal to 28 centimeter and B equal to 20 centimeter. Simple. Then what is H value? A and B value we got it. H value we need. H value is what? That H value we got. We will get it by observing these two measurements. The breadth of the inner dimensions and outer dimensions. See, the inner dimension breadth is 16 centimeter. ఇది ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు 16 ఉంటుంది. See, from here to here it is 16 centimeter. Now from here to here the outer dimension is 24 centimeter. That means how many, what is the difference between the inner dimension breadth and outer dimension breadth? Inner dimension and outer dimension, the difference is 24 minus 16 is 8. So see that the here it will be shade equal. So here it will be a 4 centimeter and here it also will be a 4 centimeter. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 16, 24. 4 plus 16, 20, 20 plus 4, 24. So here H value equal. The H equal to here, the height of these sides will be equal to 4 centimeter. Then only it will be balanced. See, 24 and it will be 24 completely now. So it is only 16. So we have to add 4 here and 4 here. So H value also we got it a 4 now. Let us substitute that. The value is 1 by 2 into here 4 centimeter into here A plus B. A is 28 centimeter plus B is 20 centimeter. So let us add here 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is equal to 2 centimeters into 20 plus 28, that is 48 centimeter. So 2 into 48, that is 96 centimeter to centimeter square. Therefore the area of shaded part. Therefore the area of shaded part equal to 96 centimeter square. 96 centimeter square. Now let's go for this fifth bit. First question solution. So what is this? We need to find out here. Find the area of each of the following fields. All the dimensions are in meters. All dimensions are in meter systems. So it is a 80 meters, 40 meters, 80 meters and 80 meters, 70 meters, 60 meters, 50 and 50 meters. So all the dimensions are there given in the meters. Now we need to find out the area of this field. Area of the field. How to find out the area of the field? We are going to be learning. So normally if you see the field net diagrams at your home also, it will be like this only. The blue diagram of the fields will be like this. How to find out the area of this field? Let us go for that. Directly we cannot find out the complete area of the field. Now we can find out the area of field by knowing figures first. So here we have to divide this complete figure into 5 parts as is given clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the first one we go for this. This first area ABCH. Area ABCH. First one. Area of ABCH. It is nothing but ABCH in the shape of C. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. So it is a trapezium. Trapezium. Area of ABCH. That is in the shape of trapezium. So 1 by 2 into H into A plus B is the formula. Area of trapezium formula. So 1 by 2 into H. H in the sense the distance between two parallel sides, that is 80. The distance between two parallel sides, it is a 80. So we go for here 80 centimeter, 80 meters into A plus B. Okay, here what will be the B, children? Here we need to be get it the B. Let us see that what is the B. The B is here 30 meters, children. 30 meters. Now it is a equal to and this is B equal to, let us write. Okay, A and B 30 meters and 40 meters. So here A 40 meters plus B 30 meters. So let us go for now 2 ones are 2 40s are. So 40 meters into 40 plus 30, that is 70 meters. So 4 sevens are 28, 2 zeros, that is 2800 meter into meter square. Area of trapezium we got it. Then again what we have, let us see. Now next we go for this. This is in the shape of a triangle. So area of triangle we are going to find out. The area of triangle formula, name is CDH. Now we go for area of triangle CDH. Area of triangle CDH equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. That is 1 by 2 into base is what here. This is the base of the triangle and it is the height of the triangle. Base is given 40, height is given 80. So the base is 40 meters into height is 80 meters. Here 2 ones are 2 40s are. So you get 40 meters into 40 meters, that is 1600 meter into meter square. Now we got this one. Now we go for the third one. Now these two are completed. Let us go for this. This is also in the shape of a triangle. Let us find out the area of triangle once again. Area of triangle. Which triangle it is? Area of triangle. Here DEI. DEI is equal to formula again 1 by 2 into base into height. That is 1 by 2 into base 60 centimeters, 60 meters and height 40 meters. 60 meters into 40 meters. 2 ones are 2 30s are. So Here 30 meters into 40 meters. 30 into 40, that is 1200 meters square. Yes. Now we have completed third one also. If you see, look at the fourth one. This is the shape of now trapezium again. These two are the two parallel side, and it is the distance between the parallel side nothing but a h value. H value equal to 70, a value equal to 60, b value equal to 50. Okay, let us go for the fourth one. Area trapezium. The trapezium name EFGI. EFGI is equal to, what's the formula here? 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. So let us solve here. 1 by 2 into h, that is 70 meters, into a, that is 60 meters, b is 50 meters. 2 ones are 2, 35 are. So 35 meters into here 60 plus 50, that is 110 meters. So here 10 you write here. 11 5s are 55, 5 carry 11 3s are 33 plus 5 38. 3850 meter into meter, meter square. Then we go for the fifth one. Now the last one also in the shape of a triangle. So let us find out the area of triangle formula. Area of triangle. The triangle is what? Area of triangle is AFG or AGF. AGF. That equal to formula 1 by 2 into base into height. That is 1 by 2 into base is 50 and height is also 50. So 50 meters into 50 meters. 2 ones are 2, 25 is 50. That is 25 meters into 50 meters. So 1 0 here, 5 5 is 25, 2 carry 5 to the 10 plus 2, that is 12 meter into meter, meter square. Now we got all 5 areas. If you add all these areas, will be area equal to the complete figure. Now the area of ABCDEF is equal to area of ABCH plus area of CDH plus area BEI and area of EFGI and area of AGF. Let us add that all and you write this clearly that. Then I will write I will only write the values. You have to write clearly area of ABCH trapezium, area of trapezium plus area of triangle plus area of triangle plus area of trapezium. Their names also you write it here and then you write solutions. Here what is that? 2800 meters square plus 1600 meters square plus 1200 meters square plus 3850 meters square plus 1250 meters square. Let us add this all. What we get? See here 2800 and 1600, that is 1200, 3850 and 1250. Let us add this all. 0, 5 plus 5, 0, 1 carry. Here 10, 11, 11, 13. 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 8 is 27. So 2 carry. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10,700. 10,700 meters square. Right? Therefore, the area of this field. Therefore, you write area of this field equal to 10,700 meters square. Now, we go through this. The fifth bit, second question. Let us find out the area of this surveying field now. So, now area of first one. Let us go for the same model. Area of, this is a triangle, no? Area of triangle will come like this. Area of triangle ABK. In area of triangle ABK, the formula is 1 by 2 into base into height. So 1 by 2 into base, it is 50, height, base is 30, height is 50. So 30 meters into 50 meters. So they are all in the meters. Don't forget all the units they have given in meters only. Already set in the question. So we also solved in the previous question. So 2 ones are 2, 25 are. So here 30 meters into 25 meters. So 10 you write here, 3 into 25, that is 75. So meter into meter, meter square. First one finished. Let's go for the second one now. The second one in the shape of, see these two are opposite sides are parallel and this is the height. So it is a equal to 40 and B equal to 30 and it is in the shape of a trapezium. So area of trapezium BCIK is equal to 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. That is 1 by 2 into H is 60 here. See, this distance is 60 meters into A plus B. That is 40 plus 30. 40 meters plus 30 meters. So 2 ones are 2 30s are, that is equal to 30 meters into 40 plus 30, that is 70 meters. 30 into 70, that is 2100 meters square. Then we go for next area of this trapezium again. The third one, area of trapezium. What is the trapezium now? This name CDEI equal to formula 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. That is 1 by 2 into H value is what here? This is the height between these two parallel sides. Yes, then this height is 80 meters into A plus B. Here A already we have taken 40, no? This you take as a B, no problem. So 40 meters plus 50 meters. 40 meters plus 50 meters. Let us solve. 2 ones are 2, 40s are 80. So 40 meters into 40 plus 50, that is 90 meters. So 4 nines are 36. Here there are 2 zeros. We'll keep it like this only. That is 3600 meter square. Now let us come to this one. Here area of triangle we have to find out. The fourth one, area of triangle. What's the triangle name here? See, the triangle EFH. That equal to formula 1 by 2 into base into height. That is 1 by 2 into base is 20, height is 40. So 20 meters into 40 meters. 2 ones are 2 20s are 40. Then 20 meters into 20 meters, that equal to 400 meter into meter square. So fourth one also completed. Then go for the fifth one. Now it is again a trapezium is appears here. Then let us find out the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Name is FGJH. That equal to 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. That equal to 1 by 2 into H. The height between these two parallel sides. The height between these two parallel sides is 80 meters. See, this is the 80 meters height between these two parallel sides. And A equal to 40, B equal to 20. So 80 meters into 40 meters plus 20 meters. 2 ones are 2 40s are 80. So 40 meters into 40 plus 20, that is 60 meters. So 6 4s are 24. 2 zeros meters square. 2400 meters square. Now at last we are going for the last one, that is area of triangle. Area of triangle. What is the area of triangle formula? 1 by 2 into base into height. So 1 by 2 into here base is 40. Height is, see that the height is this, that is 70 meters. So base is 40 meters into height is 70 meters. Here 2 ones are 2, 20 is 40. Then 20 meters into 70 meters. 20, 2 sevens are 14. There are 2 zeros, let us write as it is, then that will become 1400 meters square. Now let us find out area of the complete figure A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G is equal to, here you are to write now. The area of A, B, C, D, E, F, G equal to area of triangle ABK plus area of trapezium BCIK plus area of trapezium CDEI and area of triangle EFH and area of triangle FGIJ and area of triangle here AGJ. Triangle AGJ. So if you write those names, then only it will be perfect. Then will 4 adding this all, here 750 meters plus here 2100 meter square plus here 3600 meter square plus here 400 meter square plus 2400 meter square again plus here 1400 meter square. Let us add that all. Here we will get it 750, then 2100, then 3600, then it is a 400, here it is 2400, here it is 1400. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, 0 and it is 5 and 4, 4, 4, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 plus 7, that is 26, 2 carry, and this is 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10,650, that is equal to 10,650 meters square. The area of this surveying field equal to 10,650 meter square. So, or square meters, however you can write square meter and meter square and same. Now we go for the question number 6. We go for the question number 6 solution. See that the question number 6 also based on the trapezium. Let's see the ratio of length of parallel sides of a trapezium in the ratio of 5:3. So the ratio of lengths of parallel sides. The ratio of lengths of parallel sides equal to 5:3. So let us assume the length of the parallel sides are given 5:3 and here the distance between them, the distance between the parallel sides is given. So first of all, we don't know what are the parallel sides. Suppose let me write here once. Let me draw a diagram so that we can understand here. Okay. Suppose it is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium here. Then these two are known as a parallel side where A equal to it is and B equal to it is. Then these two sides are in the ratio of 5:3. Then the distance between them is given h equal to is 16 centimeter. Is 16 centimeter. And the area of trapezium, this complete area of the trapezium also given. So that also will write. First of all, we should know what are the length of its sides we need to find. First of all, the length of the sides are given in the ratio 5:3. So let us assume that what we'll assume now here, the length of the parallel sides are the lengths of parallel sides. The length of parallel sides, let's assume like a 5x and 3x. Okay, the length of parallel sides, let's assume like a 5x and 3x. Then here 5x and 3x like this. Let us assume this is a equal to 5x and b equal to 3x. It will be a 5x and suppose it is a 3x. Let us assume like that. అంటే దీని లెంత్ 5x అనుకుందాం, దీని లెంత్ 3x అనుకుందాం. ఎందుకు? The ratios are given. These two sides are in the ratio like 5:3. So it will be 5x length and it is a 3x length. If you know the x value, you will know what is the actual length of these two parallel sides. And also he given that the distance between the parallel sides. The distance between parallel sides h is equal to, that is 16 centimeter. And also given now is also given area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium value also given, it is 960 centimeter square. 960 centimeter square. But we know the area of trapezium formula. మనకి area of trapezium formula తెలుసు. Area of trapezium ఇచ్చేసాడు, ఏరియా మొత్తం ఇచ్చేసాడు. But we need to find out these two sides. No, we'll apply the area of trapezium formula here. Area of trapezium. So area of trapezium is 1/2 into h into a plus b. This is equal to the area of trapezium formula. This is equal to 960 centimeter square. 960 centimeter square. Here 1/2. Let us write 1/2 into h is nothing but it is a 16 centimeter into a plus b, 5x plus 3x is equal to 960 centimeter square. Here 2 ones are 2 8s are 8 centimeter into 5x plus 3x is a 8x, that equal to 960 centimeter square. This 8 and this 8 will transfer this side. So the x will be equal to here 960 centimeter square by this 8 centimeter is multiplying, so it will be divided here. 8 centimeter will divide and this 8 also is multiplied to x, so it also will be divided. So let us divide here. 8 ones are 8. Here 8 ones are 8. 1 is left 16. 8 twos are 16 and 1 0. Finished. So 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter get cancel. Again, let's go for here in the 8 table. 8 ones are 8. Here 8 ones are 8. 4 left. Here 4 left, that become 40. 8 fives are 40. So x equal to 15 centimeter. Actually x equal to 15 centimeters. But we require the actual length of these two parallel sides. The length of two parallel sides now. The length of two parallel sides of a trapezium is equal to 5x and 3x actually. So here 5 value x, sorry, here x value is 15. So 5 into 15 centimeter and here 3 into 15 centimeters. 5 into 15, that is 75 centimeters and 3 into 15, that is 45 centimeters. So the length of the parallel sides equal to 75 centimeters and 45 centimeters. Now we go for the question number 7 here. The question number 7. See here first, what is a floor of a building? A floor of a building. Normally at every home there will be a floor. Okay, here a floor of a building consists of around 3000 tiles. Consists about 3000 tiles. ఆ ఫ్లోర్ లో 3000 టైల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. టైల్స్ అంటే మార్బుల్స్ లేదా బండల్. ఓకే, బండల్ ఉంటాయి. సో విచ్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ద రాంబస్ షేప్. So those tiles are in the rhombus shape. So normally at your homes or somewhere you can see the square shape of tiles, but here the area of a building, the floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are in the rhombus shape. అన్ని టైల్స్ rhombus shape లో ఉన్నాయి. Okay, then 3000 tiles are in the rhombus shape. So each of the diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter length. So each every tile is in the shape of a rhombus. No, the diagonals of each and every tile is 45 centimeter and 35 centimeters. 45 centimeters, sorry, 30 centimeters. 45 and 30 centimeters. Find the total cost of flooring if each tile cost rupees 20 per meter square. So if you want to flooring, if you want to do the flooring for those tiles, flooring చేయించాలి. So if you want to put a flooring for that area with these tiles, so for every meter square they'll cost 20 rupees. అంటే 20 రూపాయలు చార్జ్ చేస్తాడు ఎవ్రీ స్క్వేర్ మీటర్ స్క్వేర్. ఒక మీటర్ స్క్వేర్కి 20 రూపాయలు చార్జ్ చేస్తాడు. సో ఏ ఏరియా కంటైన్స్ 3000 tiles which are in the shape of rhombus having diagonals 45 centimeter and 30 centimeters, and if you want to floor it that area, so they will charges. No one will do for free of cost. ఎవరు ఊరికే పని చేయరు. ఒకదానికి అంటే ఆ ఏరియా మొత్తం ఆ టైల్స్ నింపడానికి ఫ్లోరింగ్ చేయడానికి మీటర్ స్క్వేర్కు 20 రూపీస్ ఛార్జ్ చేస్తాడు. అంటే మనకి ఇప్పుడు తెలియాలి. సో టోటల్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఏరియా, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద టోటల్ ఏరియా మనకి తెలియాలి. టోటల్ మొత్తం ఎంత ఏరియా ఉంది ఇన్ మీటర్ స్క్వేర్స్లో. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ద ఏరియా ఈజ్ 100 మీటర్ స్క్వేర్స్, ఎవ్రీ మీటర్ స్క్వేర్ విల్ చార్జెస్ 20 రూపీస్. ఒక మీటర్ స్క్వేర్కు 20 రూపీస్ ఛార్జ్ చేస్తాడు. ఇప్పుడు అది ఒక 100 మీటర్ స్క్వేర్స్ ఉంటే 100 into 20 మీటర్ స్క్వేర్, దట్ ఈస్ 2000 రూపీస్ దే మే చార్జ్. ఓకే, 2000 రూపీస్ దే విల్ చార్జెస్. ఇఫ్ దట్ ఏరియా ఈజ్ 200 మీటర్ స్క్వేర్స్, for every meter square they will charge 20 rupees. So 200 into 20, so they will charge 4000 rupees. So first of all we have to find out that what is the total area of that floor. Total area of the floor తెలుస్తే అంటే ఆ ఫ్లోర్ అనేది ఎంత ఏరియా ఉంది, ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్లోర్ అనేది ఎంత ఉందో తెలియాలి. మీటర్ స్క్వేర్స్లో తెలియాలి. తెలిస్తే ఒక మీటర్ స్క్వేర్కి మనకు ఆల్రెడీ రేట్ తెలుసు కనుక మనకు ఎన్ని మీటర్ స్క్వేర్స్ ఉన్నాయో తెలిస్తే ఇంటూ చేసేసి ఆన్సర్ను రాబట్టవచ్చు. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ విల్ డూ ఇట్ హియర్. ఫస్ట్ హౌ టు నో ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ దట్ ఫ్లోర్. ఫస్ట్ అంటే ఏరియా ఫ్లోర్ని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. మనకు ఏరియా ఫ్లోర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం తెలియదు, కానీ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ రాంబస్ను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం తెలుసు. ఎందుకు? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఏరియా 1 రాంబస్ టైల్స్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఏరియా 1 టైల్స్ అంటే ఏరియా 1 టైల్స్ తెలిస్తే ఏరియా 3000 టైల్స్ తెలిసినట్టే కదా, because there are 3000 rhombus shaped tiles. So if you know the area 1 rhombus tiles, area 1 rhombus tile if you know, will be knowing that area 3000 rhombus tiles. The 3000 tiles are on the floor, no? So the area 3000 tiles is equal to area of a floor. Area of a floor అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, to find out the area of floor we'll do it 3000 into area of rhombus. ఎందుకు 3000 into, because there are 3000 tiles. So 3000 into area of rhombus. Area of rhombus చేస్తే area of floor వచ్చేస్తుంది. So let us know that first what is given that. So the total number of rhombus shaped tiles, the total number of tiles, the total number of the tiles, the total number of tiles equal to 3000. Total number of tiles are 3000. Okay, the dimensions of, okay, the diagonals of a rhombus, the diagonals of a rhombus is equal to, the diagonals of a rhombus here h1 equal to and d1 equal to and d2 equal to, the diagonals of a rhombus here d1 and here d2 equal to d1 equal to is given now 45 centimeter and he gave the diagonal d2 is 30 centimeters, but we require the answer in meters with meter squares. Meter square lo ravali, area ante meter square lo vastadi, but here given in the centimeters. So let us change this 45 centimeters by 100 if you do it will change into meters. So 0.45 meters it is. So here also 30 by 100 is nothing but 0.30 meters. But why we have done here? Because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters కనుక ఈ సెంటీమీటర్స్ ని మీటర్ లో చేంజ్ చేసినాం. ఎందుకు? మనకు ఫ్లోరింగ్ చేసేవాడు ఎందులో అడుగుతున్నాడు డబ్బులు? 1 మీటర్ స్క్వేర్ ఫ్లోర్ చేయడానికి 20 రూపీస్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. అంటే మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది ఎన్ని మీటర్ స్క్వేర్స్ ఉందని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, కానీ ఎన్ని స్క్వేర్ సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సో అందుకే ఇది సెంటీమీటర్స్లో ఇచ్చాడు కనుక దాన్ని మనం మీటర్స్లో చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటే మనకు వచ్చే ఆన్సర్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్లోర్, ద ఏరియా 3000 టైల్స్, ద ఏరియా ఫ్లోర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏరియా 3000 టైల్స్. అప్పుడు ఏరియా ఫ్లోర్ అనేది మీటర్ స్క్వేర్లో వస్తుంది. వాడు ఫ్లోరింగ్ చేయడానికి కూడా మీటర్ స్క్వేర్లోనే ఛార్జ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఫర్ మీటర్ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ 20 రూపీస్. కనుక మనకు ఆన్సర్ అనేది కన్వీనియంట్గా ఉంటుంది వెన్ యూ చేంజ్ ఇట్ ద సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఇంటూ మీటర్స్. But we know that 1 meter, okay, meter equal to, this is the 1 meter, this 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So when you divide this centimeters by 100, we'll get into the meters. Now we got it this. Now what we need to find out now here, let us find out the area of 3000, sorry, area of floor. Area of floor we need to find out, okay. Area of a floor, area of floor equal to area of 3000 tiles, area of 3000 tiles, each tile in the shape of a rhombus, area 3000 rhombus shaped of tiles. So area of 3000 tiles, so 3000 into area of rhombus 1/2 into d1 into d2, 1/2 into d1 into d2. So here let us do it. 3000 into 1/2 into d1 is that 0.45 meters into d2 is that 0.30 meters. Here 2 ones are 2, 15 hundreds are 3000. So here 1500 into 0.45 into 0.30. Let us do it. 0.45 into 0.30. With 0 you multiply, you get the same. Into with 3 you multiply, 3 5 is 15, 1 carry, 3 4 is 12 plus 1 30, 1 carry, 3 0 is 0 and 1. So now with 0 again you multiply, 0 0 0 you get. Here 0 5 3 1 0. How many decimal digits? Here 2 and here 2. Completely there are 4 decimal digits are there. We have to count 4 digits from the right side. 1 2 3 4. Now we get 0.1350. Here meter into meter, meter square. But this again we have to multiply with 1500. This we have to multiply with 1500. Let us multipy now with directly with 15 I will multipy. See these 3 zeros I will put it here as a 3 zeros. Now with 15 I will multiply. 15 to multipy there. So 15 5 is 75, 7 carry. 15 3 is 45. So మీరు 0 తోని మళ్ళీ 5 తోని మళ్ళీ 1 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. ఇక్కడ పెద్దగా అవుతుంది. అందుకని ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే ఈ 3 zeros ఉన్నాయి, ఈ 3 zeros ఇలాగా రాసేసి ఈ నంబర్ తోని మాత్రమే మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. దట్ ఇస్ అ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ట్రిక్ యాక్చువల్లీ. So 15 5 is 75, 7 carry. 15 3 is 45. 15 3 is 45 plus 7 52. Here 5 carry. 15 1 is 15 plus 5 20. So 2 0 and 2 carry. 15 0 is 0 and this 2. It comes like this. So how many decimal places now? 1 2 3 4. Here there is nothing decimal places. So the decimal digits are only 4. Let us count 1 2 3 4. That is 202 rupees 50 paisa. That is 202.50 meter squares. 50 meter square. And this 0 only if you take only 5, 202.5 meter square and last available. So what is this is? This is the area in meter square. అంటే ఆ ఫ్లోర్ అనేది the area floor now the area of a floor. The area of a floor here the area of floor is 202.5 meter square లో ఉంది. Now ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 202.5 మీటర్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కదా, ఒక్కొక్క మీటర్ స్క్వేర్ కి ఎంత ఛార్జ్ చేస్తున్నాడు? ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫర్ మీటర్ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫర్ మీటర్ స్క్వేర్ ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లోరింగ్ per meter square is equal to rupees 20. The cost of flooring for meter square equal to rupees 20. అంటే ఒక్కొక్క మీటర్ స్క్వేర్ కు 20 రూపీస్ చార్జ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని మీటర్ స్క్వేర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 202.5 మీటర్ స్క్వేర్స్. సో ద టోటల్ కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లోరింగ్ నౌ therefore the total cost of flooring flooring is equal to 202.5 meter square into rupees 20 in meter square into 20. So simple now 10 you write here as a 10 first. Now you go for 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 and 2 zeros are 0 and 2 2s are 4. How many decimal digits are there here? Only 1. So we keep it here. That is, so here we will get the rupees. So rupees what? 4050. We get 4050. That is 4050 rupees they will charge. అంటే ఎంత అవుతుంది మొత్తం ఫ్లోరింగ్ చేయడానికి? సో టు డూ ద ఫ్లోరింగ్ ఆఫ్ with the rhombus tiles that area for meter square they will charge 20 rupees. So it has 202.5 meter squares total. The area is 202.5 meter squares. For every meter square they charge 20 rupees. So the total cost of flooring is 4050 rupees. 4050 rupees. 202.5 into 20 rupees. ఎందుకు చేసాము? Total area is 202.5 meter square ఉంది into 20 rupees. అది చేసేస్తే మీకు total area of the floor వచ్చేస్తుంది. Now we go for 8th question. So here I will explain you the 8th question, that is there is a pentagonal shaped parts as shown in the figure. For finding the area, the Jyoti and Rashida divided into two different ways. Pentagonal area ను find out చేయడానికి జ్యోతి మరియు రషీద two different ways ను ఎంచుకున్నారు. So they divided into two different parts also. What is meaning of pentagonal? The pentagonal means a polygonal which is having 5 sides. A polygonal which has 5 sides is known as a pentagonal. Okay, pentagonal. Pentagonal means a polygon which has 5 sides. It is known as a pentagonal. So that 5 sides ఉంటే దాన్ని pentagonal అంటారు. 6 sides ఉంటే hexagonal. Okay, 7 sides ఉంటే septagonal. 8 sides ఉంటే octagonal. 9 decagon will be there. A polygon which has 4 sides it is known as a quadrilateral. A polygonal which has 3 sides is known as a triangle. So here pentagonal, there is a one pentagonal diagram. So Jyoti and Rashida, two people are selected two different ways to find out the area of pentagonal. Jyoti ఏం చేసింది? So Jyoti divided into two trapeziums to find out the area of pentagonal, and the Rashida selected one square on trapezium to find out the area pentagonal. Because area pentagonal formula we don't have, but we know that knowing formulas like a trapezium, square and triangle. So Jyoti and Rashida they have selected their different ways to be find out the area pentagonal. So here find the area both ways, and what do you observe? రెండు ways. So find out the area which is drawn by the Jyoti and the diagram which is drawn by the Rashidas. In the both the ways we have to find out the area of this pentagonal, and we have to notice what answer we are getting it. At last we have to justify our answer. That means we have to give a reason for our answer. Okay, now let us go for that. Let us find out the here areas in the both the ways. But see that the diagram here in this diagram the dimensions are given accordingly. Here I have written the measurements when they are given in a different way. See that before it was given 15 centimeters. So she has taken a bisector perpendicular line, the bisector of perpendicular line. So this 15 centimeter will be divided into the 7.5 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter, because she has divided into the two halves like this. She have divided into the two half like this. So 15 centimeters become a 7.5 and 7.5 centimeters. So the distance between these two parallel sides will be 7.5 centimeter. And see that this perpendicular complete height is 30 centimeter is given, and the remaining these two will be 15 centimeters. Here also it is all will be equal to 15 centimeters square, and the height of the triangle is 15 centimeter, because 15 plus 15 total height will be 30 centimeter. Total mark 30 centimeter height undi. So height of the triangle ni 15 centimeter ga tesukundi. Then height of the side of the square will get taken as a 15 centimeter. Now we have to find out this area, this diagram. Now the area pentagonal, okay, area pentagonal. Now area of this diagram, area of this diagram, area of the diagram. So A B C D E F are not will write A B C D E, okay, and F are not will directly go for the area of A B C D E, area of A B C D E. So the area of this diagram. Now what we can see that Jyoti divided this diagram into two trapeziums, and the two trapeziums having same measurements length. Whatever the area trapezium you get here, the same area trapezium you get. So I will write here 2 into area of trapezium. 2 into రెండు trapeziums ఉన్నాయి కనుక 2 into. So 2 into area of trapezium formula 1 by 2 into h into a plus b, a plus b. So here if you see now this 2 into 1 by 2 into h, what's the height between the two parallel sides? The height between these two parallel sides is half of this 15 centimeter, that is 7.5 centimeter. So 7.5 centimeter into a plus b. A is what here 30 centimeter and b is 15 centimeter. So 30 centimeter plus 15 centimeters. 30 centimeter plus 15 centimeters. So here 2 into, let us write here, are not this 2 and 2 get cancelled. Here 7.5 centimeters into 30 plus 15, that is 45 centimeters. Let us do it now. 7.5 into 45. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry. 5 7s are 35 plus 2, 37. 4 5s are 20 plus 2 carry. 20, here 2 carry. 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. Now it is 5 7 3 3. 3375. 3375 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Yes. Then here we go for area of A B C D E. So area of this figure, area of the figure equal to area square plus area triangle. Area of square A B C E plus area of triangle, that is CDE. Triangle CDE. ఎందుకు రాసాం ఇలా? ఏరియా స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఏరియా ట్రయాంగిల్ అని. ఇక్కడైతే ఏరియా ట్రెపీజియం ఒకటే ఉంది. సో అంటే రెండు ట్రెపీజియమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా 2 into ఏరియా ట్రెపీజియం. It will be simple to do it. Now here see that area square formula, that is side into side plus this area also we need to add area trapezium triangle formula 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base into height. Let us substitute now 15 into 15 here. 15 centimeters into 15 centimeters plus 1 by 2 into, here base of the triangle is 15 and this height of the triangle also will be 15. So here 15 centimeter into 15 centimeters. So here 15 into 15, that is 225 centimeter square, plus here 200. Sorry, here if you see there is a one decimal digit here, 7.5. No, you will get here 337.5. ఇక్కడ decimal point పెట్టడం మర్చిపోయాను చూడండి. So now it is okay because here 7.5, but I have considered 75, అందుకే ఎంత వచ్చింది. So if it is 7.5 into 45, you will get 337.5. So that you notice. Now here also you get, see, this is 1/2 into R naught. This is 2 ones are 2 7.5. So you get here 7.5 into 15 centimeters square. This is 7.5 centimeters into 15 centimeters. So let us do it here. 225 centimeters square. This 2 we will multiply now. 55 is 75. There is 7, and here 15 sevens are 105. 15 sevens are 105, plus this 2, that is 112.5 centimeter square. 112.5 centimeter square. Then let us add this 225 plus 112.5. This 5, 7, 3, 3. That is 337.5 centimeter square. So now what you observe? The area we got from the Jyoti diagram and the area we got from the Rashida's diagram is same. What do you notice? The area of in the both the ways, the area which we got from the Jyoti's diagram and Rashida's diagram is same. So the area got by Jyoti diagram, Jyoti's diagram and Rashida's diagram is same. That means however you find out, the area will be remain the same. Suppose ఇంత ఏరియా ఉంది, నువ్వు 4 రెక్టాంగిల్గా డివైడ్ చేసుకో, 10 ట్రయాంగిల్గా డివైడ్ చేసుకో, ఆర్ నాట్ 100 స్క్వేర్స్గా డివైడ్ చేసుకో. ఈ ఏరియాని ఎలాగైనా డివైడ్ చేసుకో. ఆ ఏరియా అనేది మారదు కదా, పెద్దగా చిన్న అవుతుందా, అవ్వదు. సో ద ఏరియా విల్ బి ఆల్వేస్ కాన్స్టెంట్, అంతే ఉంటుంది. అందుకే వాళ్ళు 2 డిఫరెంట్ వేస్ మెథడ్స్ని అప్లై చేసుకున్నా కూడా వాళ్ళకి ఏరియా అనేది సేమ్ వస్తుంది. బికాస్ ఏరియా విల్ నాట్ బి ఎన్లార్జ్డ్ ఆర్ రెడ్యూస్డ్. ఏరియాను చిన్నగా పెద్దగా చేయలేదు కదా, అదే ఏరియాని వాళ్ళ కన్వీనియంట్ మెథడ్స్లో యూజ్ చేసుకొని డివైడ్ చేసుకొని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేశారు. సో హియర్ జ్యోతి చూస్డ్ ద పెంటాగోనల్ ఇంటూ 2 trapeziums and she got the area 337.5 centimeter square. Here Rashida chose the same area into 1 square and 1 triangle, even though we got a same answer. So here we can understand that the area will be remain the same if you go for the any method to find out the areas. Okay, in a particular formulas, any formulas. So I hope you understood this exercise clearly. Practice properly this all the formulas and go through all the formulas and how to apply the formulas and how to substitute the values in the formula and how to simplify. We have learned this clearly in this exercise. Practice this all to get a good marks and good knowledge in the next academic years also. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.